My challenge: how can I burst, publish, and deliver Power BI reports and paginated reports? The solution? Use InfoBurst Power BI to automatically personalize, publish, and deliver reports to users using their desired formats and destinations. We start with our Power BI report. This region report consists of 3 pages, and we want to burst it by region, then deliver the resulting region PDF files to various destinations. We add the Power BI report to InfoBurst, where we burst the report based on a list of region values, and deliver the resulting report files to the appropriate email recipients. We configure the report bursting using our region values, and then the delivery where we can choose which report pages to deliver, and then deliver the result to a variety of destinations. The result is a Power BI report delivered with personalized data to report consumers using their preferred destinations and formats. Deliver your Power BI content to a variety of destinations, including email, SharePoint, and cloud drives. Group content from multiple Power BI reports into a single PDF file using InfoBurst content grouping. And schedule delivery of your Power BI report content using date-time rules, external events like queries and trigger files, and custom calendars.